Do you believe that your military and intelligence leadership is doing everything it can to root out every terrorist who resides in the nation of Pakistan?
Well, put it this way, more Pakistani soldiers have died than NATO soldiers put together in Iraq and Afghanistan. The Pakistan GHQ has been attacked by terrorists. Generals have died. The ISI, the security agency has been attacked. The commando center has been attacked. So would the Pakistan army be patronizing terrorists who are attacking them? I mean, to me as a Pakistani, I am bewildered by all this. You know, after the Osama incident, we don't know what to believe anymore. And that's why I believe that it has to be now homegrown policy. Pakistan should own up the war, do not behave as a sort of fighting America's war because America is giving Pakistan the money.